Well, looks like, oh, well, they took care of it. Trucking companies here. Beautiful day.